What is SQL?
SQL, or Structured Query Language, is a powerful language used to communicate with and manage data in relational databases. It allows users to create, read, update, and delete data efficiently. SQL is the backbone of data management systems, from small-scale applications to large enterprise solutions, making it an essential skill in the digital world.
Why is SQL important?
SQL is crucial because almost every business relies on data to make informed decisions. It provides a standardized way to access and manipulate vast amounts of information. Whether analyzing sales trends or managing customer records, SQL helps professionals organize and retrieve data quickly, making it invaluable in tech, business analytics, and beyond.
How SQL powers databases.
SQL enables users to define database structures, insert and modify records, and retrieve specific data with queries. Major database systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, and Oracle all use SQL as their foundation. This universal approach ensures that skills learned with one system translate easily to others, making SQL a portable and versatile tool.
SQL in tech careers.
Mastering SQL opens doors to a variety of tech careers. Data analysts, database administrators, software developers, and business intelligence professionals all rely on SQL daily. Even non-technical roles benefit from SQL knowledge, as understanding and querying data is a highly valued skill across industries.
Getting started with SQL.
Learning SQL involves understanding its basic commands: select, insert, update, and delete. Interactive platforms, online courses, and tutorials offer hands-on experience. By practicing with sample databases, beginners quickly build confidence. Whether you're starting a tech career or aiming to boost your analytical skills, mastering SQL is a smart investment.